Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 22, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Column E, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column F, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 6. Column I also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column I and 8th grade, we have pair numbers 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Column I, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 7. 9th grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 8. 6th grade, we have 6. So 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 7th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4. 6th row, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 9, 4. 2nd grade and 2nd row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 6th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 5. 2nd row and 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 4th row, column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 6. It will come in one of the cells. we will confirm later. Fifth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column C, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in other 2 cells. Column D, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Then fifth row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. 7th grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column B, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 2nd row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.